Do you know that under 5% of the global open source contributors are Africans? That means Africans are left out of contributing to open source, contributing to impressive technology, the opportunities. We are left out of open source. Every day, millions of Africans, millions of people in the global south use technology, but only few actually contribute to it. That means our culture, our impact, our values, and that unique thing we bring to technology is not included. Hi, my name is Victoria Soluchuku Ofuasia, and
Delight Sunto Chukuchuku.
we are Nigerians.
And we are 2025 Millennium Fellows from the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, Cohort A. And we are working on the project titled Open Source Nest.
This project is solving the SDGs 4,
8,
9,
10,
and 17.
Open source means software anyone can see, use, modify, and improve. It is built in the open by a global community. The benefits: it makes technology more transparent, accessible, and innovative, and gives everyone the chance to learn, collaborate, and create real impact.
People often feel locked out. They don't only miss out on the technology, but also on the opportunities that open source can offer.
So that's why we started Open Source Nest. Open Source Nest is an initiative helping everyday people learn, use, and contribute to open source. We are doing that through workshops, events, and outreaches, all to bring underserved communities closer to open source. We've done 2 workshops, and we are doing 3 more workshops, and all these workshops are here to help teach different people based on their skills how to contribute to open source with what they do. We have had outreaches, and we have also had different speaking engagements. We have had different chances where we get to communicate one-on-one with people. One of our biggest highlights was the events that we had in collaboration with Mozilla Common Voice, which is called E22, an Common Voice Contributor-thon event. In that event, we were able to get 1,000 plus voice recordings of Igbo. We were able to get 800 plus validations of Igbo clips, and then overall, throughout this campaign, throughout this initiative, we have been able to impact about 400 plus people and make them see hope and light in open source.
Most importantly, we have proved, and we are still proving, that open source is not just for devs or a Western thing or for highly skilled people, but it's for every single person.
What do we plan to do in the future? Nice question. In the future, we plan to, because now we started in Enugu, Nigeria, plan to expand across Nigeria, across Africa, across the global south. In fact, any underserved community that feels locked out, we are there to help them and bring them closer to open source. We plan to help people not just to learn to contribute and use, but also to build. We can make more local solutions, more solutions that are relevant to our context. We plan to show more people DPGs, that is free open source products that they can use. United Nations DPGs, which are digital public goods, free open source products that are made for underserved communities, that these underserved communities do not know about. We plan to make sure that really everybody understands that whatever it is you do, whatever digital skill you have, you can contribute to open source with what you have, whether it's from your voice, literally, as we saw in Mozilla Common Voice, or with writing, with code, with whatever it is. We are trying to make open source more accessible to people. The overall goal is to break barriers to open source so that everybody knows that they can enter it if they want and get the opportunities from it. Thank you, Millennium Fellowship, for helping us to make an impact.